Okay, one more. Linda.
No more. Why you always put your stinky feet on me? They stink.
Your feet?
Yeah, your feet stinks. You smell like pee-pee. Shay smell like pee-pee. You're such a weirdo. Do something.
Look at my face. Look at my puppy. Look.
You can't see it. Up here. Yeah, go. What is that? Lightning McQueen?
My side.
Your side.
My face.
No, I don't want to show my face. Mommy look ugly.